CleanAIR introduces a series of light hoods with an advanced built-in air distribution system. In combination with a PAPR unit or compressed air, offers the highest respiratory protection. The range of light heads offers several types of products that differ according to the requirements of a specific activity. The package includes a specific light head and a user manual in your language. Adjusting the headband VariGEAR. Fold the fabric of the hood enough to comfortably reach the headband. Unfasten the rubber bands, securing the headband on both sides of hood. You can adjust the circumference of your head by clicking the circumference tape and setting the desired circumference. Push the fuse to the side and adjust the distance of the visor from the face by sliding it. After adjustment, secure the headband again with a rubber band and pull the fabric back. Sweatband replacement. By pushing the tape in, the headband can be completely removed. You can remove the original sweatband by simply pulling it out of the holders and putting on a new one same way. Replacing the headband with VariCAP. Remove the headband according to the previous instructions. Insert the VariCAP side piece into the empty rails. Secure the VariCAP again on both sides with a rubber band and pull the fabric back. Sticking the protective foil on the visor. Peel off the protective layer from the protective film. Place the foil on the visor and stick it on the sides. Hose connection. Putting it on the head. Push the hose quick lock connector onto the hood connection and connect the hose with a simple click. Tuck the bottom hem of the hood under the chin. There is a loop on the top of the hood for the possibility of hanging the hood. CleanAIR. Work hard, breathe easy.